Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic LibreCAD tutorials how to fill rectangle. For example, I will create a rectangle like this. And if you want to fill this rectangle, first I will fill with patterns and the second we fill with color. So you can select the rectangle object, go to Head tool, and then you can click in here to set for the pattern. For example, I will use the default like ANSI 31. Click OK, and it will be automatically fill this rectangle. You can select again the other rectangle, select Head tool, and in here I will check solid fill to set for the color into this rectangle. And if you want to set like into sand color, we need to create a new layer. You can click in here, and I will set color into cyan. Click OK. Now, if you select this object and then go to Head tool, it will be automatically set color into cyan. Click OK to apply. Okay, that's it for basic LibreCAD tutorial how to fill a rectangle. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.